Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your TCL TAB 8 Plus. First, make sure that the tablet is turned off. Locate the power button, volume down and up. Press and hold the volume down and the power button. Once the tablet turns on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume down. Once you see this screen comes on, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. To select it, you have to press the power button to confirm. Also the power button. Once it comes on, it will be back to the factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Again, this video to show you how to factory reset your TCL TAB 8 Plus. Thank you so much.